press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello all, how are you? I hope all are doing good. So today I am going to continue the lesson which I have stopped in the last class, that is the comet second, is it? Which was written by Jayant Narlikar. So in the last class we come to know about how this comet and the theories, the practical, and there are so many observations, the procedures, the plans, everything they have done by the experts and also international scientists and astronomers, is it? So when they were in international conference, they all are discussed about how to avoid this natural disaster. Okay, so they were planned and they have fixed the date, they have scheduled it. Okay, on October the 10th and then November 15th, and the last is the December 15th. So like that they have planned and they have did they put a lot of efforts. Okay, how much they could, how much everybody had possible for this, they have did it. Okay, so now Datta was returned to his place, and now everyone, they were asking questions to him and they are welcoming to him. Okay, so like this, let's see in this today's class what happened in this story, the comet second. Datta returns home to a warm welcome and a ceremony which is not a scientist delight. Okay, so when Datta he was returned to his home, so he was see that there are a ceremony, the grand celebration which is in his home. So where the scientists never liked this kind of a way, where the people, they were gathered, there are a lot of crowds and there is a ceremony. Okay, then a secret communication sends him rushing to the local sweet shop. So in this part, in this story, what we are going to see that. So we are going to see here secret communication in the sweet shop, and then Indrani Devi says that Koka, their 8-year-old grandson has saved the world. Her husband is seriously puzzled. Okay, so what are the things we are going to see in this part? So that is Datta is returned to the home, and he could see that there is a grand ceremony in his home, and then there is a secret communication which was sent by the John Macpherson in a sweet shop, and then Indrani Devi says that Koka was a 8-year-old kid. He is a grandson, okay, of Datta, and he was saved the world. Who? That boy. And then her husband is seriously puzzled. So that by hearing these words, so he was in a confused state. Okay, who? Datta. So let's see here what happened in this story. Arriving home, he found another crowd gathered under a pandal. He glanced questioning at Indrani Devi. Okay, so when he was arrived at home, he saw that there is a pandal. Pandal means it's a decoration, decorative things. Okay, so when he was arrived to the home, so there is decoration near at the home. So then he was glanced questioning at Indrani Devi. So Datta was asking question to why these arrangements, why these decorative things are there here. Surely she knew how he hated crowds. Indrani, obviously uneasy, offered the explanation. I have arranged a yajna and called priest to bless you. So now Indrani Devi, she knows that Datta was not like the crowd. Okay, and then she was giving reasons that with uneasily she was explained why the people were gathered and there is a ceremony at home. That is, she has arranged a yajnas. Yajnas means it's a rituals. Okay, rituals called a priest to bless you, and she has called the priest to bless him. Okay, but why? Just because I left the shores of India? So he asked the question. So why you arrange these things? Because I left India. Because of that reason you have arranged these things. You know, it is no longer taboo. And in any case, you know my views on these meaningless rituals. Okay, so taboo is something not permitted for religious, social, cultural reasons. That is a taboo. Okay, so you know that this is, you know, it's a no longer taboo. That taboos mean where I have went to the place, and again when I come that the priest should be bless us. So it is a taboo. Okay, so nobody is believing in this. So still you are believing and doing like this way, and in any case know my views on this meaningless rituals. If you are doing also, I am not believing in this meaningless rituals. So whatever the yajnas and ceremonies it was gathered by the Indrani Devi, he has not liked that way. Okay, he never believed these things. Then Indrani Devi looked at Sibaji Babu, the younger brother of her husband. So here another character we could see here, that is Sibaji Babu. He was a younger brother of her of Dattada. She was looked at him. Now Sibaji Babu coughed and explained. So now Sibaji Babu, the brother of Dattada, he coughed and explaining that we have all been very disturbed since you discovered the comet. Actually, when you were discovered this comet, we people are worrying and we are disturbed. So he is saying, who that Sibaji Babu? He is a younger brother of Datta. Then Guruji recommended a Shanti Yajna to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet. So Guruji means who has verses who are part of this rituals and who are perform these rituals. So that Guruji, he has recommended them to perform a yajna in their home, that is called Shanti Yajna, to bring a peace in their home and their lives. So there is a evil spirit behind the comet. Okay, so evil spirit is there in the behind the comet. So because of that, so we have arranged this kind of yajnas at home. So he was explaining, we are all waiting for you to perform the yajna. Actually, we people are arranged this yajna because for you to perform this yajna for Shanti means it's for a peace, for bring a peace in everyone's life. May I know what specific advantage there is in this ceremony? So again he is asking question because he is not convincing. Okay, he was not convinced by the brother or wife or no one else because he is a scientist. He's a scientist. How could he believe these superstitious beliefs and these yajnas and these rituals? Okay, so then he asked again a question to the brother that what is the advantage of this ceremony? So what is the profitable thing for him? Datta was outwardly calm. So when he asked the question, then he was calm. The comet you have discovered will not cause any ill effects on the earth. So again he said that the comet what I have discovered, it is not cause any ill effects on the earth. It is not caused any disasters on the earth. At this remark, Datta blew up. Don't you know that this is all superstition? So suddenly when he was saying like this way, you know that what you people are doing, these things are the superstitious. Okay, it could be condoned in the olden times where a man did not know what comets were. Means it could be forgive, means these superstitions could be forgive in the olden days but not in modern days. Okay, because people could know that what is the comets now, but our olden days people, they don't know that what is these comets are. Okay, then not so in modern times. Comets are known for what they are. Their movements are forecast precisely by mathematical calculations, and it is clearly established by statistical studies that their visits have no correlations with disasters on the earth. So he was explaining that how the comets are, if they were existed, so what are the mathematical calculations? Okay, and everybody knows it, means the scientists, they have discovered it. So their movements and their existence and their mathematical calculation, so they studied it very precisely, very detailedly what these comets are. Okay, and then he said that there is a statistical studies that their visits have no correlations with the disasters. So when the comets are visited to the earth, so there is no disasters. Okay, disasters on the earth. So it was discovered by the scientists and the experts. So he was explaining. All this is of course futile on my part to explain. Okay, explain you and the likes of you never read even the elementary books on science. So and he was explaining with the rudely that futile means useless. All this of course is a useless on my part to explain. So whatever I am explaining, it is a useless. Okay, because you people, means the likes of you are never read on the elementary books. Elementary books means it's academic books. You never have read those kind of books which is based on science. So whatever I am explaining, it is a useless things for you guys. Okay, like that he said. Then Shivaji Babu gently interjected, but our wise forefathers recommended such yajnas. So when here Shivaji Babu, he is also not accepting the words of Datta, whatever he is saying, whatever he is explaining about the comets. So again he was interrupted him and he said that our forefathers means ancestor. So our ancestors have said us that we have to perform yajnas, okay. Then, since his return from London, Datta was in regular correspondence with Sir John Macpherson. After that, when he was returned from the England, he was regular contact with John Macpherson. Okay. Then their friendship had grown out of their appreciation of each other's virtues. So now the friendship, it was they both of them, their friendship were in a good sense. Okay, they have developed the friendship. There is a bond between John Macpherson and also Datta. Okay, then there will be the appreciation in both of their virtues. Sir John admired Datta's scientific outlook, while the latter admired the former's discipline and efficiency. So just Sir John Macpherson, he was admiring that Datta's discovery. Okay, he was always admiring. He was getting inspired by this discovery, but the other part of the admiration is also the efficiency and discipline. Okay, then their correspondence never mentioned the Project Light Brigade, although once in a while Sir John would hint at its progress in a subtle manner that Datta would understand. So whenever they were in a conversation, when they are communicated with each other with a friendly manner or with about this work, okay, about the Project Light Brigade, so they never use such words. Okay, so they use some of the different words like some other languages where Datta was easily understand it. Okay, because they were not openly discussed about this project, about this mission. Okay. Then, whenever they were in a conversation. Meanwhile, Comet Datta was following its predicted path. Okay. Subtle means skillful manner. Subtle manner means it's a skillful manner. So now, meanwhile, so at the same time, Datta's following Comet, it was predicted that it is in its path, in its own way. In due course, it developed its tail. So now, it is after some times, it has developed the tail. Which one? This comet has. It circled round the sun without breaking apart, nor did it evaporate. Okay. Meanwhile, they got a news that so this comet, it was revolve around the sun. Okay, and then it has neither evaporated. Okay, because of the sunlight, because of the heat which is produced by the sun, it has not evaporated. Okay, and then it has not broken. The scientists on Project Light Brigade therefore knew that the threat of collision was now very much real. Okay, now naturally this comet has not change its path, change its way, and neither it has destructed with any other asteroids or any other meteors. Okay, so then next what happened? The scientists which have whatever the plan they have planned for it, that is Project Light Brigade. So now they are ready to threat for collision. Okay, and now it is very much real. Okay, yeah, collision is actually, it is a real thing. It is going to be happen. They have decided, they have understood now. In the middle of the October, Datta got a letter from Sir John in the midst of the description of the meeting of the Royal Astronomical Society. So in the middle of the October, in the month of the October, in the middle, so he received a letter from Sir John Macpherson. So what is the discussion in that letter? That is description about a meeting which is organized in the Royal Astronomical Society. Okay, so they were called for a meeting. The unreasonably warm weather, the opening matches of the football season, and a recent by-elections. So at the meanwhile, so in the other hand, means whatever the things are happening in the world, so here it is discussed. So the warm weather is warm in the middle of the October, and there is a matches was started, that is the football matches it is the season, and there is a by-elections, okay, there is a elections is also going on. Datta spotted the sentences he was eagerly looking for. So now he got a sentence which was written by the John Macpherson. He was understood that the charge of the Light Brigade has begun. So only this statement has written in that letter, okay. So the charge means they are ready to start their mission, that is the Light Brigade, that is the Project Light Brigade. I have already explained you what is the Project Light Brigade, okay. So the spacecraft had been launched on time. So the spacecraft, it should be ready on time, they have to be for a launching. Then let us hope for the best. So the spacecraft had been launched on time. So now they are wishing that, all of them they are hoping and wishing that, so whatever they were planned to explosion this comet, so it should be going to be happen, okay, in a successfully, everybody is praying. But will it achieve the rendezvous in time and at the right place? So the main purpose, the main thing is that place, means the meeting place between the comet and also the missile, the spacecraft which it is loaded with the spacecraft which is loaded with the missiles and the nuclear explosion. So that should be the exact time, the timing should be fixed and the place is also fixed. So now here is the question, okay. Then next is, will the remote control detonation work? And after that, remote control, so all the part of the work, it should be very active, it should not be any interruption in this kind of a work, it is very sensitive part. What if the gigantic nuclear pile fails to fire? If that gigantic nuclear means, if it is not explode, it means whatever the loaded spacecraft, it has not ignited, it has not exploded, it was not hit to the comet at the right time, it is not ignited a fire on the comet, so what will happen? So these are the question arises here for the experts. Datta could not share his anxieties with anyone around him. Everything he knows it. Who? Datta, but he is not open his a single word, he has not opened his mouth, he has not said a single word about his plans and procedure, not even for a wife also, okay. Now he had participated in and outwardly enjoyed the puja ceremonies and the Diwali celebration and other festivals, okay. With his anxiety, with his lot of the fear and tension, he was participated in all the rituals, the pujas and also Diwali celebrations and everything and other festivals. His sole daytime relaxation was in the company of Koka, that is 8-year-old grandson, and of course at night looking through Dibya. So at the day he was relaxing with his grandson, the name of the grandson is Koka, he is a 8-year-old's grandson. Then and of course at the night he was with his telescope, that is a Dibya, to watch at the sky. He was regularly monitoring the comet, new clearly visible even to the naked eye. So regularly he was observing that comet, and now means when he was observing, so at that time, so that comet it can clearly see the in a visibly, means in a naked eye without any telescope, they could see anybody could see that comet. On November 18th, a special messenger on a scooter from British Consul brought in an urgent telex message for him. Okay, on November 18th, so on the month of November 18th, so there was a person who came with the scooter with the message of telemessage, okay. It's a telex message and him from the British Consul. The telex operator in Calcutta had wondered what was so special about it, make it so urgent. So the telex operator in Kolkata, they have thought that, so what is so special, he has brought a urgent about this kind of a telex message. But on reading it, Datta lost all his lethargy and rushed to his favorite Rasgulla shop and the message read. So suddenly when he was read that message, so he was rushed into the sweet shop, that is the Rasgulla shop, and he was read the message. I am confident now of buying my Christmas presents on December 15. John Macpherson was written in this letter, okay. That is the telex message. So what he has written, I am confident that I could buy the Christmas present on December 15th. This is the John Macpherson has said. On December 15th, comet Datta came closest to the Earth at a distance of 80,000 kilometers. Okay, so then, okay, on December 15th, now it was means they are sure that this comet Datta, it is coming nearer to the Earth, and it was about only how many kilometers? 80,000 kilometers. It is very much of nearer to the Earth. Millions saw it. So many people they have saw this comet and admired it. Only a handful knew how close they had come to the total annihilation. Okay, so millions of people they have saw this comet because it is coming very closer to the Earth. This is about only the distance of 80,000 kilometers. Okay, then and annihilation means only few people know that this is because of the destruction. This is coming nearer to the Earth because for the destruction. It is ready to cause the destruction. Only few people could know it. Okay, annihilation means to destroy. So this comet is coming near to the Earth to destroy. Then when the comet had gone far away and was seen no more, Datta felt it safe to make the following comment to his wife. Okay, so when this comet has gone away and Datta has not seen that comet, so it is falling, he was following some comet to his wife. Now that comet came and went, are you satisfied that no major disaster took place that can be attributed to it? So now that the project was succeeded, whatever they have decided, it was succeeded, and now they have now the Datta is commenting to his wife that that comet has come and it was went. You know that it has not caused any disasters to the Earth. Okay, so then he said like that. I agree that there has been no major disaster, but there could have been some. Do you know how they were averted? Indrani Devi said with quite confidence. Yeah, now with the response of Indrani Devi, she said like this, I agreed that. So whatever the things were happened, so that comet has not destroyed to the Earth. Okay, but you know that how it was possible? She said like that. Averted means to turn aside. So how it was turned aside? How that comet has moved aside? Then Indrani Devi said with the quite confidence. She said in it confidently. Okay, so that you know that yes, I know that that comet has not destroyed to the Earth, but it has. I know how it has went away from the Earth. So she said, Datta looked her. Did she know? How could she? He had never mentioned Project Light Brigade to her. He probed cautiously. I don't understand. What do you mean? So now the Datta looked very surprised when he was listening the words of his wife. Okay, and now she could know all those things. So whatever the things he knows it secretly because he was never been explained everything about the Project Light Brigade. Okay, and how she was telling like that way. Then I don't understand. What do you mean? He asked question to his wife. It is very simple. There was no disaster because of Yajna and at our house. Yes, why that Earth has not destroyed? Because of our Yajnas we have organized at our home. Because of that comet was went. So she said like this. But I never performed the Yajna. Don't you remember? I refused to have anything to do with it. You know that I have not performed any Yajnas. I have rejected it. So don't you know that I have not performed it? He said it. Of course I do, but we found a way out. At least Guruji did. Yes, of course you have not participated, you have not performed any yajnas, but we got other solution for this. Okay, so Guruji has given that solution. What is that? He said that if you were unwilling to perform the yajna, it would be alright if a descendant of yours did it. So if your husband is not ready to perform a yajna, it is okay to your grandchild, means your grandchildren if it is there, they could perform that yajna. So we got Khoka to deputize for you. Deputize means act on behalf of Datta. So we got Khoka. Khoka is a grandson of Datta. So we have to, he has participated in that ritual on behalf of you. So she said, and it has worked. Actually, that yajna we have performed by Guruji and this child, so it was worked. Isn't Guruji clever? So you know that Guruji was clever. Indrani's voice had a ring of triumph. Ring of triumph means it's a victory over. Okay, so her voice is like a victory. So she said that because of the Guruji, because of the yajna, so our earth is safest place, and they have protected from the comet. Who said this? Indrani Devi said this. Then Datta formed a mental picture of Koka performing the yajna. So uttering mantras dedicated to him which he did not understand. So when she was explaining about the yajna and the ritual, it was performed by the Koka, he was picturizing, okay, and he was uttering the mantras detected to him. So whatever the mantras it was said by the Guruji, so he is also detected. Who? That boy. Okay, and then without understanding, because he don't know what is this yajnas and what is this, without understanding he was detecting how that Guruji is saying. Pouring ghee at specified intervals into the fire, offering flowers, and then the picture changed to an assembly of scientists at the conference analyzing the problem, devising solutions and executing them rationally and efficiently. So in his mind, through the mind, he just visualized the pictures of the two things. One is his grandson is performing yajnas with the dictated words of his, where the Guruji is saying and he was dictating without understanding, with pouring ghee in that fire, and there are so many flowers and garlands, okay, and then suddenly he changed his picture with there is a meeting in the conference, and how the people, the experts, they were talking with the solution, and they were calculating the problems and calculation, everything they were executing in efficiently and rationally. So that one, there are two pictures he could see through this. He just visualized, okay, he just visualized in his mind the two pictures. In one picture he has visualized the performing yajnas with he is not only that son and that Guruji and his wife, and in another picture he could see the assembly, okay, the people where they have gathered and they were discuss about the problem, and they were talking about the calculations and the procedures and plans and everything, okay. It seemed hard to believe that both pictures were different aspects of contemporary human society. Datta was aware of the gulf that separates the rich from the poor. So here he come to the conclusion. So he could draw the two pictures, okay, that where the people were efficiently, they were working on some of the problems. But in our society, means in Datta's society, so they are believing superstitiously, they are believing, okay, because of the yajna, so the earth is safe from the comet, okay, so the people are believing. Actually it is true. Actually it is not. It is true. Yeah. How it is true? The people are only performing yajnas, then they were praying and they were offering, they were going for churches and they were going for a namaz, and they are doing prayer and all. So they could save the earth? Actually not. You know, the COVID-19 is when it is breakout. Okay, so like in the month of March. So how the people were reacted? In some of the places, the people were performing the pujas and their prayers and everything. It was organized, okay, in their homes and all. But still, the COVID-19 it is present. Actually, it was not. No person is going to be solve this problem. It has written. It is a life. This is a life. We have to accept it. But practically, we have to solve it. Not by spiritually, not by performing, or not by praying. Yes, we do praying for peace, for relaxation, for positivity, okay. But because of that, earth is going to be safe. That should be not happen, is it? Because it has fixed. If it should be happen, it will be happen, okay. If it not, it is not. But because of some of the prayer and some of the the things, whatever the people they were believing, you may call it as a superstitious belief. So because of that, anybody could save it, the life also, even the human being life also. No, it is the disaster. It is the natural disasters. No one can save the natural disasters. Okay, so this he has understood by the this character here, that is Dattada. He has understood it. So only the problems is only solved by the work. Okay, the work, the problem, the right execution. Okay, the problem, the calculation, and the procedures, plans with a lot of the brains. So many brains are working together. Brains means the people who are experts, who are intellectual. So with them, then only we can solve this problem. Otherwise, if it is not happen, if this, so you can know that here. If the comet, it is going to be collide, although they have prepared well. Okay, the experts and the scientists and the astronomers, they have prepared it well. Okay, if it is happening like this, they have to be planned and alternate also. But if no plans are going to be success, it is failed. So what will happen? The comet, it will collide to Earth. Actually, in the story, I am telling about the story here. It is not happen. But if it will happen in the future also, it will happen. So before that, the experts were preparing all those things. Okay, so all the time, like 24/7, all the work is going on. So they were looking into the space and they were finding out this kind of, not only comet, even the meteors and asteroids. It is also revolving in the space. It is also they are moving in the space, is it? So if it is crossed the Earth's atmosphere, then it will be possible to collide the Earth. Then this is called as a natural disaster. We have to accept it. If it not, then we could have to be prepare ourselves before. Okay, so if it happen, what will be the causes? If it not, what will be, so what action we should take before? Okay, so like this way, now Dattada was understood, because he is living in this society where there is a superstitious, where there is a belief, the blind believing. Okay, but he also understand that the people who are working for world, for earth, is it, how could they have to save? So he could understood now the two societies, there are two societies which is different, okay, in their own way. So then the educated from the literate, and now here Datta was aware of the gulf that separates the rich from the poor. So now he understood that the thing which is gulf means it's a line, there is a line, gulf means it's a line, it's a boundary, so where it divides the rich and the poor, and the educated from the illiterate. Okay, the privileged from the unprivileged. Privilege means liberty. The liberty, the people who are enjoying the liberty and people who are not enjoying the liberty. So there are differences. There are differences in their lives also. Okay, the people, they are the people who are educated. So in what way they are thinking, and the people who are illiterates. So what is the way of thinking? So he could understood now. Okay. Then, but this gap between the rational and the superstitious seemed to him for a wider, for more sinister. Okay, so now he could understand that rational thinking becomes a broader, okay, with the practical, with the scientific proof. Okay, then and in another way he could see the life of a superstitious. You know that superstitious make the people sinister. Sinister means dangerous, harmful. Superstitious belief, it is not good for all, good for living, good for world. Okay, everything we need to practical, and we should need the scientifically proof. Okay, so here he understood about the two things. He could compare the two things here, the people who are rich, and he could differentiate between the rich and the poor, and the educated and illiterates, the privileged people to unprivileged people, and also the people who call their rational thinking, and the people who follow the superstitious. Okay, that is the call, and that superstition which leads the people, they are leading a harmful life, and they made their life dangerous. Okay, will human society ever succeed in eliminating it? Yes. Now he asked the question to us and to himself also, Dattada here, that is the people, is the human being, is the man, is going to eliminate, he is going to be remove this kind of a superstitious in our society? Is it what? Then Datta did not know the answer. Here Dattada the answer about it, okay? Because the superstitious belief, it is following from so many years, okay? It was generations to generation, it is passed to one to another, okay? It is not removed from the society, okay? So how it could remove it? By the education, okay? The people have to be educated, not only by the education, getting education in the school and they get degrees, not only this way, but practically they have to be educated, they have to ask the questions, they have to be lead a life practically, not in a superstitious believing, okay? So whatever the people says about do this one, your luck is going to be changed. No, how it is going to be changed? No, nothing is going to be changed. Whatever the man believes, whatever the way of thinking, the way the man is thinking, so that is going to be happen. And you know, if the man he's having his desire to achieve something in his life, he can. If he's not, then not, okay? The only thing is about the man's ability, his intellectual, his understanding, okay? So everything depends upon the human being and the work of man, okay? So either it is a disasters or not. So this is called, you know, why the natural disasters it will happen. Okay, leave it for a comet. So comet is about the lesson part. You know, the natural disasters like earthquakes, tsunamis and all, these things are the natural things, okay? So the earth, it has a unique features, okay? There are so many changes takes place. Even the earthquake, it is also happen because of the changes in the earth's core and crust and mantle, okay? So there and here there is a tsunami, you know how it is causes? Under the sea, okay? So earthquake under the sea. Because of that, there is a natural disasters. The only thing is the man responsibility is to get educated, to be aware about the natural disaster, okay? So they have to be pre-planned. If it is happen, so they have to be pre-planned, so they can avoid such kind of a disasters, such kind of a loss of the property. If it is disaster, it is happen also, but that kind of a disaster is not going to be possible, okay? At least they could save little amount of the disasters, okay? So this is about the today's class, and since from the comet first to comet second, we could understand and we could visualize and we could understand the character of Datta and what is the comet and how the people, the experts like John McPherson, then James Forsyth, everybody has deal with this problem and how they have planned and how they have to come to the conclusion. So whatever their strategies and whatever the project, that is Light Brigade, so everything we come to know about this lesson, these two lessons, that is comet first and comet second, okay? So I hope that you all are enjoyed to listen about the science, okay, and in this story, okay, science as a story. So this is about the today's class. I hope that you all are enjoyed and understood these lesson very well. So we will meet you in the next class. All of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.